Starr and me are gonna sing Every Time We Touch. 3, 2, 1, go. I still hear your voice when you sleep next to me. I still feel your touch in my dreams. Forgive me my weakness, but I don't know why. Without you, it's hard to survive. Hairball. Every time we touch, I get this feeling, and every time we kiss, I swear I can fly. Can't you feel my heartbeat? I want this to last. I need you by my side. 'Cause every time we touch, I feel the static, and every time we kiss, I reach for the sky. Can't you feel my heartbeat? So I can't let you go. Want you in my life. It doesn't work on your phone. Your arms are my castle, your heart is my sky. They wipe away tears that I cry. The good and the bad times, we've been through them all. They make me rise when I fall. 'Cause every time we touch, I get the static, and every time we kiss, I swear I can fly. Can't you feel my heartbeat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side. 'Cause every time we touch, I feel the static, and every time we kiss, I swear I can fly. Can't you feel my heartbeat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side. As you can tell, that she just messed up most of it.
We were supposed to. We're supposed to be making this funny.
We're too high in sugar. This is funny. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
That's the whole point. Oh my god.
You said point. That's the point.
That's the whole point.
It's the whole point. It's the whole point.
It is the whole point. Point.
Sticky.
Sticky.
Sticky. Dude, like,
Sticky.
no, here. Okay, me and my sister were watching a commercial, and it was like, you can use this sticky.
Now, I am going to take a bite of my sister. Oops.
My Fruit Loops! She stole my Fruit Loops! Leave them alone. Leave the babies alone! Look like you drowned them! You drowned my Fruit Loops! I'm gonna eat one of these. No, me doesn't.
You killed me because I killed your babies!
But I would like to kill my babies.
Help me!
That's not for me, noise! Oh, fly high five!
We're such dorks. That hurt my foot.
Eat the Fruit Loops.
I'm going to go downstairs now.
Run, hippie, run.